Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about prime number in Python. So how to find the given number as prime or not. To check the prime number, we are going to divide each and every number by series of numbers one by one. So we know that each and every number we can divide by the same number and by one also. So from that we cannot identify the given number as prime or not. So what we are going to do, other than the one and the same number, we are going to check all the factors. Let's consider some example. So what we are going to do, so 23, we are telling this is a prime number because this 23 is divisible by 1 and the same number only. So that is called, this is a prime number. So if you go with the 24, this is not a prime number because this 24 we can able to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and so on. So we can able to divide by multiple factors. So that is what we are telling, this 24 is a not prime number. So we'll see with a programming example. So we are going to get the n value from the user. Input of, enter the number. So we are going to use with the for loop for I in range of n. So if you are giving simply range of n, so what is the factor it will begin with? It always begin with a 0 by default. So we don't want to begin with 0 because we cannot divide any number by 0, we will get an error. So to show that error, I'll keep as it is. So if n modulus of I equal to 0. So we are going to divide each n factor by I value. So the condition is met. We are telling that this is not a prime number. And once we find out this is a prime, we no need to continue this loop. So we can exit. So for that we are using the break condition. Yes, we are telling this is a prime number. So n number, that is 10. So what is the error we are getting? Integer division or module by 0. Because this factor will begin with 0. Our n value is 10. So 10 modulus of 0 means we cannot divide 10 by 0. So that is what we are getting an error. So that we should not begin with 0 here. So if I put 1 also, this 1 we can divide all the numbers. So from that we cannot identify whether the given number is prime or not. So that we have to ignore 0 as well as 1 also. We have to begin with 2 only. Okay. So the same number we are giving 10. So we are getting an answer as not prime number. So how it is work? So 10 modulus of, what is our I value? 2. So 10 modulus of 2, we are getting remainder as 0 only. So first condition itself, we are getting remainder as 0. So the condition is satisfied. So it is telling that prime number is not a prime number. So we are giving a break condition. Okay. So for prime number also, we will give some example. So if I put 5, so this is a prime number. So 5 modulus of 2. So what will happen? We will get a remainder as 1. So the condition is fails. Again, next I value is 3. So 5 modulus of 3. For this also we will get a remainder as 2. Again, this condition is fails. Again, 5 modulus of 4. Again, this condition also fails. So till 5 only it will. So your n value is 5 means up to what value it will take? Up to 4 only it will take. Okay. So it will finish all over the loop. We know that when this else part will execute, only the entire for loop will be executed without any interruption. So all the iteration will be completed, then else part will printed. So the given number 5 is the prime number. Okay, I hope all of you understand this prime program. Thank you guys.